everybody. Welcome to Waterfall. My name is Pierce, and today I'm in Whitewater State Park in Central Oregon. About 2 hours drive from Portland, Oregon, and 2 hours drive from Bend, Oregon. Don't be fooled by the nice pathway. It just goes down as far as the bridge, or you can just go to the first overview. So anybody can make it to the first overview, which is pretty amazing in itself. But beyond that, you definitely need to be able to hike to get down further. But just this alone is worth coming and checking out. Once you get to the bridge, you cross the bridge, and I wouldn't go this way. You go straight down here. A little steep, but it's short, and some amazing views on the way down. Listen to that sound. I love hiking when you hear the waterfall. Now the way down is pretty steep. It is some rickety steps there, a lot of loose gravel, but it's a short hike down and definitely worth it. The views from it on top are great, but it's worth coming down to see the waterfall down below as well. Is an abandoned building here. There used to be a hydroelectric plant, so ignore the old building. Other than that, everything is beautiful. There's even an amazing beach here. So the water's cold. It is glacier melt. Comes down from Mount Hood, but a nice sandy beach. Just give you another view of the beach from far away so you can appreciate it. Beautiful area here, and just about 2 hours drive from Portland, Oregon. The lower falls is worth hiking down to. Beautiful area. Now the pathway is rocky and uneven, so definitely not for everybody. But if you have hiking boots on, it should be no problem. I do advise bringing a stick. Yeah, beautiful, worth the hike alone. The end of the trail, pretty peaceful out here. I appreciate you all watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please give it a like if you did, and check into some other hikes around the Pacific Northwest and beyond. Take care. So plenty of parking. Now this is a Friday afternoon. And I met 2 people on the whole trail, just at the top, nobody else. So, and then you have a beautiful view of Mount Hood. That's about 50 miles away. So definitely worth coming out. Beautiful, peaceful area, some amazing falls.